09 Cobalt RST in mint condition. Has the original exhaust system and it's got some failure points. So I recommended to Rachel to tell the customer, since this car is so nice and so mint, to just replace the whole exhaust system. And not, do I ever, rarely ever say that?
No, you only say it unless it really needs it.
Right. So Rachel pitches them on a whole new exhaust system, and we'll just say the total was $1,900. And then I gave him the minimum repair option, which was like $110. So Rachel tells the guy the car was not worth fixing for $1,900. What's it have on the clock? 100,000 miles?
Yeah, like 99 something.
Yeah.
100.
Mint condition, Cobalt. So I told Rachel, he only wants a minimum repair. Good. Call him back and tell him I'll give him a check for $1,900 right now. Bring the title. So Rachel calls him back and says, Anthony said bring the title over if you don't think the car's worth $1,900. Oh, well, I didn't really mean that. Yeah, you can't bullshit me. I've been around too long. Car was worth every penny.